Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Thor Quantum 2022 model DS24. Up front here on this Mercedes chassis, it gives you the 3.0 liter V6, 188 horsepower, 325 pound-feet of torque. You're getting excellent fuel economy with this. Nice big bunk over the cab with a windshield. And this motorhome comes standard with no body paint, and it does have the optional full body paint, which is amazing because I think it looks good, especially on a Mercedes motorhome that's trying to keep a certain price point. Let's take a look at some of the interior features. Also, it does have really great exterior storage. Inside, the first thing you are going to notice, it does have a sofa and a dinette. That is not a Murphy bed. That is what's huge about this category. So many times you're now getting both, but when it comes bedtime, you have to make one into a bed. So the fact that you're getting both is amazing. Again, big bunk over the cab. What do we say? Holds 500 pounds with that awesome windshield. Here's the Mercedes cockpit area. And again, regular screen, not the 10-inch screen, so no adaptive cruise control. Both seats do swivel to become part of the living room. And there is a dinette table that goes there. Not a dinette table, this table goes there. TV's directly across from the sofa, and you do have a nice little kitchen area. What I do love is the fact that you're still getting a full-size fridge. Very impressive. Right over here, you do have a nice 24x36 shower. Really good size for a small motorhome like this. And then here's your bathroom area. A nice little sink and toilet. And then to top it all off, a separate private bedroom. This bedroom is on a slide. You got windows, a TV there. Really good wardrobe space. And then here's what's fantastic. Look at this. You fold this up. One, this needs to fold out for the slide out to come in. Okay? And then two, the fact that you can keep this up. There's storage underneath there. One, I can watch TV back here, and two, I can actually sit on here to tie my shoe, and I can put the bed up to get dressed. There is a cup holder and a wireless charger right there. Great, so that's the Quantum DS24. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or, if you know that this is the motorhome for you, perfect. Fill out that contact form down below, and somebody from our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. We will see you next time.